What's up next? The owner suite on the Silver Wind. Hi everybody, Bonnie Lee here. Welcome to the Silver Wind, one of the beautiful ships in the Silversea fleet. I am staying in, I'm not staying, I'm visiting the owner suite, and I'm here to tell you about it. Let's take a look around this suite. When you come in, there is a half bath, perfectly placed, in my opinion, right by the front door. Let's just say, for instance, you have booked the owner suite. You're bringing some of your top clients, maybe your top employees on the ship with you. And when you're doing that, you wanted to be able to hold some meetings. That bathroom there is going to work perfect for any guests that might come into your suite for a meeting or just a family chat. Here is another suite that you can also book adjacent to the owner's suite. All right, so if you're booking the owner's suite with the intent of booking a connecting suite next door, the connecting suite is a Vista suite. The Vista suite does not have a balcony. It's incredibly important that you know that and make note of it as you book that fabulous owner suite. Let's skedaddle out of the dining room. Here is your living area with your full bar. If you have specific wants or desires for what you would like to have to drink or to eat, just let your butler know, and this will suddenly change into things that you like. All right, now let's move through here. Now, to keep your personal space, there also is a door here as well. So if you're using this again as some type of a meeting voyage for you, you can have your whole guest area out here with the half bath, and then step into this area, and this is your personal, beautiful space. Here's a look at the bathroom. You can see the beautiful sink area there, and the shower and the tub, quite lovely, I must say. And walking through here, when you come into your personal space, as I said, here's your full walk-in closet. Of course, your safe, robes, plenty of storage. I'm not going to shut you out, but these doors slide shut to give you your absolute perfect space. So come on in. Beautiful large bed. Oh my God, and a vanity. I can't even imagine how much stuff you can get on there. And your balcony as well that stretches all the way across to the living dining area. So this is the owner's suite on the Silver Wind, and today I just happened to be in Antarctica. Did you like this video? If you did, I can just about guarantee both this one and this one might just also be perfect for you.